Okay. God, it's recording already. She like, screw you. She wants to fight.
What do you want? Huh? What do you want?
Do it again.
What do you want?
No, you didn't. Rosie.
I don't know what you want. Is she looking straight?
Yeah. It's like an evil look too. There for a second, she was like, "Grr."
We should put this on YouTube, man.
Yeah. I'm afraid she's gonna snap me.
See, watch.
Oh, that was so cute. Too bad that wasn't on camera though. Her foot wasn't on camera. She just sneezed in your face.
I know. It was mean.
Tell her, Rosie.
It sounded like she was saying mama.
Mama. Smile pretty. I feel like she's gonna like lift up and bite it.
Once when I get close, she walks away. What do you want? What do you want, dog? Huh? What do you want? Here, back away. I'm claustrophobic.
She totally just put her nose in your crotch.
What do you want? You have to speak English. Okay?
Poor dog.
Okay, I don't know what you want.
She's like, dude, I'm gonna pee right in front of you if you don't let me out right now. Rosie.
That's an evil look. Look at her. It goes tap, tap.
Uh-oh. Let her out.
How?
Go let her out. Rosie. You're like, come on, growl. Oh, she lifted her paw up. She's like, please. Aww.
Is that enough recording?